Alright, so now that you know kung ano ba yung use case ng Clay and paano ba mag-sign up ng account, what we're going to discuss now is integration. Ano ba yung purpose ng integration? So basically, if you have any tool na gusto mong i-connect sa Clay for a specific use case, pwede mo siyang ma-connect through integration. So one good example is the ChatGPT or OpenAI integration. So with the integration between OpenAI and Clay, magagawa mo na gumamit ng ChatGPT or gamitin yung ChatGPT features within the Clay platform. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng ChatGPT to make your prompts. Instead, pwede mo siyang magawa within the Clay platform. So, ide-demonstrate ko rin yung paggamit ng ChatGPT on a separate video so it would make more sense. So question is, paano nga ba tayo mag-i-integrate ng tool? So, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just to go to Workspace Settings and then select Connected Accounts. Okay? And then click on Add Account. And then here in this section, you can choose which tool you would like to connect with Clay. So for example, you would like to connect Google Sheets, no, para integrated yung Google Sheet mo. You can do that with Clay. Or for example, you have an Apollo account. So Apollo is a list building tool or a data enrichment tool as well. So if you would like to use Apollo to find leads and email addresses within the Clay platform, pwede mo siyang magawa by integrating Apollo. Okay? So, to integrate a tool, very simple lang din. Select mo lang yung tool na gusto mong i-integrate. So, you can name your key however you want. So, for example, Ericsson key. And then for API key naman, makukuha mo yung specific API key or yung unique API key pag nag-login ka doon sa mismong platform na gusto mong i-connect. So for example, if I am going to connect Apollo, I would have to get my API key from Apollo. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to show you how to get an API from Apollo. But please be advised that this is not tool specific kasi nga ang goal natin is makapag-connect ng any tools na pwedeng i-connect sa Clay, hindi lang yung Apollo, but I'm just, going to share this with you for the sake na meron kang idea kung paano mag-add or kumuha ng API. So, for Apollo, API, makukuha mo yung API dito sa settings section. Okay, they have a separate section for integration. Okay, dito pala. Alright, so actually, meron ng existing API yan na pwede mong i-copy or paste or pwede ka mag-create ng bago. So, for example, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to name this as a test API. Okay, test only. Then, create API. So, this is our test API. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy this. Alright, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then I'm going to save it. So once it's saved, that means na na-connect mo na successfully yung tool na gusto mong i-connect. So that's pretty much it for the integration. So to recap, you can connect any tool na gusto mong i-connect so long na nandito siya sa option or present siya dito sa section na to. If hindi, pwede mo siyang i-connect through Zapier. Pero medyo mas mahirap yung process nun kasi hindi na siya native integration or direct integration just like dun sa ginawa kong demonstration. And then next requirement is API key. So, dapat meron kang API key na usually makikita mo sa settings section ng tool na gusto mong i-connect. And pag meron ka ng API key, all you have to do is just to copy it and paste it dito sa API key section ng Clay. So I hope you got value from this video, and in the next one, tuturuan naman kita na mag-build ng list of companies using Clay.